Video I will explain you the concept of surface area, and it is very easy concept. See, just I'm explaining you the surface area of any three-dimensional object is the sum of the areas of all its faces. Three-dimensional object means what? Length. If the object having length, breadth, height, then that object is called as a three-dimensional object. Okay, this is the base. And next one is what? Faces means what? The flat surface is called as a faces. If you count the surfaces, if you count the flat surface or faces of this cuboid, it will be 6. It is a 6. Okay, now see, if they given you the formula for surface area, if you want to find out the surface area of any object, you must know the length, breadth and height. Now see, this is the length, this is the breadth, and this is the height. This is height, this is breadth, and this is a length. This is length, breadth, height. You must know three values, then only you will able to find out the total surface area of a cuboid. Total surface area of a cuboid is equal to 2 into bracket length into breadth plus breadth into height plus length into height. Means in short form, 2 into bracket LB plus BH plus LH. Okay, now we will see the some properties of cuboid. A cuboid has 6 faces. Each face is in a rectangular rectangle. Now see, cuboid has 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 faces, and each face, if you see the face of a cuboid, each face in a rectangular form. Each face in a rectangular form. If you each face, if you observe face, you will be see it is in a rectangular form. Okay, now next is opposite faces have the same area. See, this opposite of this is that one. This face and this face have a same area, and if you see the opposite face of this and this, the opposite face of this is what? This part is also same area having this part. Okay, next one is each edge is perpendicular to the two other edges to meet. Each edge means what? This is edges means what? Just see here, edges means where the two faces are meet each other. Where the two faces are meet each other, that is called as edges. That is called as a edges. Means this one edge and this one edge and this one edge, these edges are perpendicular to each other. These edges are perpendicular to each other. Each edge is perpendicular to the two other edges to meet. See, if I want to talk about this edge, if I want to talk about this edge is perpendicular to this edge and this edge. Other two edges meet. Okay, it is clear to you now. Now next is what? Surface area of a cube. Cube. See, surface area of a cube. In cube also there are 6 faces. In cube also there are 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In cube also there are 6 faces. And how many edges? Where edges means what? This face and this face. These faces are meeting, that line is called as edges. And where two edges are meet, it is called as a, this is called as a corner or vertex. This is called, where two edges are meet, that point is called as a corner or vertex. And where these edges, where these faces are meet, that line is called as a face. That line is called as a edges. That line is called as a edges. Okay, now it is clear to you. Again I am telling you, just see that. See, if these faces and these faces are meet, that faces where they meet, that line is called as a edges, and the two edges are meeting, that point is called as a vertex or corner. Understood? And the flat faces or flat surface is called as a faces. Each face in a square shape. If you observe this cube, each face is in a square shape. Area of all faces is equal because square have all sides are same, means area of all the faces is equal. Okay, now see the formula of this. Total surface area of a cube is equal to sum of areas of a square. How many squares are together? 6. And length L. 6 into side square. 6 into side square. 6 into side square. This is the formula for total surface area of a cube. 6 into side square. Okay, it is very important. You must by heart this formula. If you by hearted, then only you will be able to solve the sums. Understood? Total surface area of a cube and total surface area of a cuboid. Cuboid formula is 2 into length into breadth plus breadth into height and length into height. Okay, and surface area of a cube is what? 6 into side square. It is very important. Thank you student for watching my video. If you like my video, subscribe my channel and press bell icon button.